Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
In fact, in ease of doing business, as some of you may be knowing, Goa is ranked 4th last by the Government of India. A very, very important survey, which even our research team and others are aware of, which is called LEADS, the Logistics Ease Across States, which says how good is a state for doing business in the area of logistics and trade. Goa is last, and this is last determined not by some NGO, not by one of the media channels, but by the Union Commerce Ministry as part of the Narendra Modi government. We are committed to do it as soon as possible. I think realistically within a few months. There's no point saying a figure which is difficult. I've been a minister of shipping. I've seen what the challenge was in 2012. And I feel very credibly, based on the internal discussions many of us have had, including under Chidambaramji's leadership, that within a few months mining can begin. And we also believe that once and for all it's very important to fix the mining problem in Goa. Because the minute you have environmentally sustainable mining, you will prevent a future legal action which could again curtail and hurt the economy of Goa. From the time BJP has come to power, the state has now, the politics has turned. Today, BJP has changed Goa's politics. Not it's about ideology, it's not about where you stand on a particular issue. Now Goan politics, according to the BJP model, is about money power, muscle power, and defections.